What's up guys, it's Chris with Globus Gates here. We just completed this side gate project for one of our clients. As you can see here, this is pretty much already classic design with the horizontal slats and half-an-inch spacing in between them, which gives it some sort of privacy. But from the street side, obviously you can't see inside. This is 100% aluminum, rust-free material, and what we make in Globus Gates, we make structural aluminum grade, which means it's not a casual DIY kit that you can get online and install yourself. This is a heavy duty stuff. We specialize in heavy duty stuff. As I said, we're licensed, bonded and insured to do your installation. So we fabricate the gates ourselves in-house from A to Z, framing, slats, we do everything ourselves. 100% aluminum, which is gonna last you a while, like 20, 30, 40, 50 years, you name it, because it doesn't rust. No maintenance required, absolutely zero maintenance. You don't have to repaint it all the time like the metal gates. And check it out, we did a little bit larger side of the gate, so you can still open it if you need to bring the car inside, and the normal size door, so you can open it if you're just walking through it. So check it out, Globus Gates, we do custom gates for your project. This is our classic design which is horizontal slats with a tiny little gap. We do the job the right way, the USA way, from A to Z, and we got you covered on everything. Check it out, Globus Gates.